Electromagnetic radiation encompasses a vast spectrum, ranging from the intense radiation of cosmic and gamma rays to the low-grade background irradiation of the night sky that's the residual of the Big Bang. Light is the special name we give to a fairly narrow band of this broad electromagnetic spectrum. Basically, light is electromagnetic radiation that we can see. This raises an interesting question. Why is it that our visual sense encompasses only this tiny band in the vast spectrum of electromagnetic radiation? To put the question simply, why is visible light visible? Photoreceptors are the cells that sense light, and the answer to our question lies with them. What is it about photoreceptors that limits their capability so? The answer to that lies in understanding how photoreceptors act essentially as antennas for light, similar to, say, the antenna that allows your radio to pick up radio signals. As you watch the lectures to follow, I would like you to keep two things in mind. First, what is the nature of an antenna? What is it about antenna design and function that allows electromagnetic radiation of any wavelength or frequency to be sensed? And what is it about the cellular nature of life that constrains light antennas to the narrow band of visible light? Second, how is it that light can be pressed into service as a medium of communication for information? What are the different ways that information can be encoded in light? And how can light be used as a tool of communication between different organisms?